Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Rebecca and I am vlogging today. It's a Saturday and technically it's not an off day for me from work, but I have taken a leave today because it's a very special friend's wedding today. In fact, Vaibhav is also traveling from Mansar here for the wedding today. So for those of you who don't know, Vaibhav and I are in a kind of a long distance relationship right now because he has been working on a project in Mansar, which is my sasural, and I am staying here with my mom in Pune because I work here in Pune. So after we've been away for more than a week, which is the longest time we have been away after being married, and he's finally coming today. So also Blinkit gave me a notification of it being Rose Day today, and I am not somebody who follows things like that, but because he's coming back after a week, I thought let's plan something special for him today. So I went down and I got some flowers, and let's see how he reacts. He'll be here in I think 5 minutes now. Guys, he's down, he's parking the car. He'll be here any minute now. I'm so nervous and I'm so excited. Hi, Ranku. Guys, we were struggling with the sarees, so mother is helping me. Say hi. My built-in makeup artist, sari draper, hair stylist, everything. Guys, we're so late. The wedding is at 11:30. It's I think 11:24 now, and I'm leaving from home. Thanks. Vaibhav's helping. Let's run. She's here to get me. You're in the vlog. Say hi. Manku and I, we dreamed. Okay, so Neha and I used to talk about. Okay, we met way back in 2022 or 23, I think. She is my Kathak friend. And guys, so this is my look. मम्मी के earrings, मम्मी का blouse, मम्मी की साड़ी, मम्मी की लड़की, मम्मी की बेटी. So Neha and I met way back, I think in 2021 or 22 when we were learning Kathak together. And she eventually became good friends with me. We were a group of 5 or 6 girls who used to practice together, and we just I'm only in touch with Neha right now from the class. So Neha and I used to talk about, so she knew that Vaibhav was my boyfriend back then, and I knew that Atharva was her boyfriend, and we used to talk about finally getting married one day and then going to each other's weddings. And it's finally happening. She was at my wedding and now I am going to her wedding, which is so exciting. We have gone out, like Vaibhav and me and Atharva and Neha, we have gone out for lunches and dinners together. We have also gone to concerts and all of that. So this is so special to us. So see you. तर guys, अशा पद्धतीने आम्ही पोहोचलो आहोत.
So now we are at.
And guys, we have reached the venue. This handsome boy is here.
शुभमंगल सावधान कन्ये.
Guys, no filter. I'm so proud of my makeup lately. Once, twice. guys, the wedding was amazing. The food was lovely, and I thought, वाह, मस्त खाना था. घर जाके 2 घंटा सोएंगे. But my husband had other plans. Since he's in Pune just for the next 2 days, so we are here to pick up a printer. And so yeah, work and no sleep. Guys, I honestly think that when it's a holiday and when you don't sleep, it's a waste of that holiday. Because what is something different that you have done than all the other days? रोज तो दोपहर में ऑफिस होता है, so you can't sleep after lunch. छुट्टी के दिन लंच के बाद सोना is compulsory. Then only it counts as a leave. Am I right? So I'm just here now in the car while he goes and shops for his printer, and I'm making lots of beautiful reels for Instagram. So make sure you follow my Instagram too.